What's up, guys? It's the Duvan heading out to OR. Changed a few things, added a few things to this bad boy. You notice you got your double folded bunk beds. That one folds down, one folds up, storage, bunk bedding, whatever you want. Ties into your straps here. We've installed a TV at the rear that can move, come out for tailgating, swing back into the van for whenever you're sleeping up front. And we've also added in the kitchen pod here. Goes to the side. Open your fridge up, get your all goodies. Close this up. Got your water. You have storage on the slant wall behind. Storage above, and then one of the new cool features that we've been working on is the new full double folding bed platform. Pull this apart, drop this down, pull this guy up, pull this guy down. You got full sleeping on it, while you're still able to fold this guy up to be able to sleep two down here, one up there, not on top of each other. Still gives you a ton of storage space. Rock on.